Crier, everyone, and happy holidays.
This time of year is my favorite, between presents, family, and sports.
Speaking of sports, congratulations on your 1,000th career point, Carter.
Thanks, Laura. But besides myself, Ethan Boggs is qualifying for the World Championships in pool for this upcoming summer.
This holiday season will be so different than anything we've ever seen before.
As Christmas nears, experts are bracing for a huge spike in COVID-19 cases due to indoor family congregations.
The aftermath of Thanksgiving and winter is causing a huge spike in COVID cases, and hospitals are completely overwhelmed.
Let's take a look at what some of our local health physicians have to say about this extremely stressful time.
Jack Rovtar has the story.
In the past few months, COVID-19 cases have exploded across the state of Ohio. With many counties in the purple, experts are saying we're in the middle of another surge. Dr. Ryan Nash says that healthcare workers are under a substantial amount of pressure and stress from their jobs.
Those healthcare workers that have children who are in school and trying to balance, can they take classes virtually at home while they go to work and care for the sick, and what kind of risk are they putting their loved ones at when they come home?
High school and middle school nurse Kim Schaller says her job has changed since the arrival of COVID-19.
Not just you have a bellyache or you have thrown up in the bathroom. Now it's, have you been around anybody with COVID? Are you having any signs and symptoms? Go down that list. Always check everybody's temperature as soon as they walk through the door.
Neonatal nurse practitioner Andrea Jagger says that COVID-19 doesn't get in the way of her job.
We take care of patients that have, TB, that have HIV, that have things that are communicable that could hurt us all the time. Mm-hmm. So it's kind of what you sign up for, and you take the appropriate precautions.
Zach Jagger says he's not only proud of his mom, but all healthcare workers.
I think that she's a hero and really important. They're all brave and really important in this time.
This holiday season, let's give thanks to all of the wonderful medical professionals who tirelessly keep working to make sure we all stay safe. For Trojan Crier, I'm Jack Rovtar.
Anyone working in healthcare right now sure does look like a superhero.
For sure. Make sure to stay safe this holiday season.
As this time of the year is all about giving, several organizations within the school have decided to participate in events with the money and proceeds raised being donated to charity.
Michael Funk has the story on all the charitable things happening around the school.
The school and the FFA program recently held a Food for the Hungry event. FFA seniors collected and distributed food to members of the community. The high school and middle school held a competition to see which school could bring in the most cans of food. The winner of the competition got to see their principal pied in the face. The middle school brought in 5 boxes worth of food, while the high school only brought in 1 box's worth.
Well, we're here today because we've earned this right to be in the championship game. Our team has played hard all season. We've been pushing this food drive, and it was a competition between us and the high school, and the high school just couldn't stand up to the vaunting offensive onslaught we poured upon them. So we're hoping that, like in today's game, we'll be able to come out victorious.
6th grader Evie Stowe was selected to deliver the pie to middle school principal John Morgan's face.
As you can tell, our team came out victorious. I don't know if this is better than like getting the Gatorade bath at the end of the game, but whatever it takes for the Trojans to come out on top, I'm all for it.
For nearly a decade, the high school's Ohio Scholars Association has decorated a Christmas tree in the gazebo in the center of town. Junior Meredith Morgan says that she enjoys the aspect of people coming together in order to give back to the community.
I think just seeing it come together and overall seeing the town come together for the holidays is just really nice. It's a good feeling, and it just prepares the soul for the holidays,
The school also held 3 separate hat days to collect money to be donated to the Interchurch and the Adopt a Family charity. Sophomore Alyssa Harry says that school fundraisers are an easy way for students to give.
Because it's simple, it's really easy just to give that instead of, going out, buying a gift, and then bringing it here. This way, if you just have $1 on you, you're like, boom, here you go, instead of having to put an effort in. So that's nice sometimes. It's easy to get people to participate then.
Even with everything going on, it's important to remember to always give back, not just around the holidays. For Trojan Crier, I'm Michael Funk.
Wow, seeing people come together for a good cause really puts me in the holiday spirit.
I totally agree. It is the season of giving after all.
If you buy the Trojan Crier tomorrow for $1, you will be able to read more about the charity events being held by the school, the music programs, virtual concerts, and a feature on healthcare workers.
That's all for now. For Prior Crier, I'm Laura Lemke.
And I'm Carter Jones.
We'll see you next time.